I want to slap a little bit. But we friends though. Big gully band can't fit inside a Lambo. Is we live or what? Yo, 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 no. I lost everything. I never got my self-esteem. All right, let's get into it. Send the link out. We friends though. Big gully bands can't fit inside a Lambo. Let's check it out. Can you go see if the screen looks kind of weird? No. Or what? Does it look good? You go look it up. Let me know if the screen looks weird. Chat, can you guys hear me? What's good? What's good? What's good? Does it look fine? Computer screen. Fine? Loud and clear, my man? Alright. What about chat? The music on. Yeah. Chat, listen. Anyone else in the chat, you guys like, you guys play this? Anyone else like hear one song and they like it so much that they just listen to it over and over again? You do that? Alright, I'm back, chat. What up, KB? Pambazo, Angel. Jamal, what's good, brother? Good to see you today. What's good? What's good? Loud and clear, my man? Oh, yeah, I gotta go. I signed to the wrong Discord, that's why. We good now. One of those nights, chat. Alright. Alright. Let's go to... Damn, my GG chart looks really ugly, guys, so I'll clean it up in a second. Let's get rid of that. Let's do... What should we go over first, guys? Actually, the first thing we should go over, let's all hop over to Forex Factory and... Oh. My bad. Check it out. Oh, 11 p.m. Got some German. Going to there. Oh yeah, 4 a.m. We have 4 oh wait, I gotta go in here. What can I hear? Hello. Look at my screen, guys. You can see here we have 4 GBP news folders tonight, but it's not until 4 a.m. Does that mean I'm not going to trade? Not necessarily. Like, I might look for a setup. The only thing that means is there might be low volume heading into session. So it's just something to kind of look out for. But we're still going to do our breakdowns. We're still going to look for some trades. We'll break it all down. What's up, Luca? Was just watching the recording of the call you just had. Awesome, bro. Let me know how you like it. Let me know how you liked it. Luca, please tell me you took my trades that you... Hey, I love that you killed it, brother. Congrats. I'm gonna be completely honest. I won't take anyone's trade. I always say that. There's times that even like Ollie might be getting into a trade, or I don't even know who. For some reason, I just can't. If I don't see it on my own, I can't get into a trade. Doesn't feel right. What up, Cam? How are you, sir? Good to see you. Let's break down Jared 31st, guys, because I'm down to take some trades tonight. For sure. Let's go into here. To remove some joins. Let's go to the 4 hour first, actually. Let's see where we are. Bullish, pullback, gapped, bullish, gap, filled, going in, clear impulse leg, go to the hourly, higher, low, for the 15. Jeez. This is hard, guys. You guys already know that I don't like, buying too high. I need to see some sort of, lower time frame liquidation. So ideally, this is the 5 minute. I say I would want like these lows to come. Here, you want to come kick it over here? I'd say I like this. You can pull up the chair right there. Yeah, who's been doing New York with Nick? If y'all don't know, Nick's been going live. Not this week because his computer died, but last week. Who here does New York session? I guess primarily of this. But what I'm looking at right now, guys, we can see here we have a clear level of demand that led to this push, kind of left a low, pushed again, and now we have clear equal lows to take out before tapping into here. So that's something to, account for sure. I'd say that's probably the thing I would kind of look for. Right in here, there's 1, 2, I guess. Not as deep of a pullback. Dax treating us good, always has. Let's keep running these likes. Yes, sir. How many of you guys are here? Sorry I didn't go live last night. Oh, there's still 30 of you guys here. All right, shout out to you guys. I tried to take a nap before stream, and I woke up from the nap, and I was feeling like shit. I was in no freaking mindset to trade, nor to go live, if I'm being completely honest. So I hope y'all forgive me. All right. So yeah, we go next. What would you do? All right, guys, I'm gonna hand the sticks over to Nick, and I want him to break down GJ. I'm just curious his thoughts. Take over the stick, motherfucker. You got 3 minutes.
I'm a bit indecisive for GJ. I was in buys earlier in the day, but I got out at break even before news.
Oh, you were buys today?
Yeah, I got out at break even before news.
Break down though. Break down the trade. Break down the trade that he got in earlier. I didn't know that.
We were overall bearish. I mean, you can see breaks of structure here on the 4 hour. So I saw pull back into discount pricing down here, and I saw a nice 15-minute demand. So I entered off of a limit down here because overall higher time frame bias is bullish, right? So I'm gonna follow the bias. And in this case, news was coming out. I would have moved to break even either way once I got to premium, or equilibrium of this leg, just in case sellers did take over. In this case, it did. It could have been fueled by news or whatever, which I really think it was at 7 around that time. But just super simple. Break structure here, change of character, demand zone, entered on a limit. Was looking
Oh,
to.
and it will mark it up and show where you got in at. I see where you got in at, but they don't see it. My screen's ugly right now.
So just simply targeting the high. Again, the higher time frame biases. It's showing me that price is expecting to go bullish. The daily, we're still in a bullish range, but because we fell this high, it kind of gives me indication that sellers could take control, but they haven't yet. So that's why I'm sticking with bias, right? I'd rather trade within the bullish bias than trade against it, at least until I get confirmation. But to see like what we're doing now, we clearly broke through that demand. Thankfully, it was out at break even. But we could be looking at sales now potentially. I'd look for, you know, some type of zone be respected here, and then maybe like a 5-minute change of character to confirm it. But with news coming out I would need to see price take off really fast for me to stay in. So, but again, we'll see. I'm expecting sells, but and we're under the 200 EMA, so that could be big indication that sellers are ready to take control. But that's DJ for me, so I'm handing back to Luke.
Gang. Sirski. What's up? What's up? Just bring us some treasure. No way. I'm so down. Say what's up, chat. Say what's up, chat. Oh, there's no way that shit's in there. All right, guys, we got what should we go open right here? No pullback yet. No bottom wick on the hourly. Even if we break highs, this is a no trade for me. Even though. The dime piece match the lick with the 10 milli. How you still ain't seen his 10, silly? UK 100 does look way better. Let's check out UK 100, guys. They're both breaking highs, but there's been no liquidation, guys. You guys got to understand. This is a big lesson. The charts may move, but doesn't mean that every trade is your trade to take. This doesn't match up with any of my criteria. All price has done is open up and break a high. If that's how, if that's the easiest, if that's just how you can be profitable, is because if price just opens up and breaks a high, you can just get in and make money. Everyone would be the best trader ever, but it's not that easy. Does it happen sometimes? Yeah. But it does not mean it's my trade to take. Yeah, one. Nick, you want to... I'm good. Nick's a virgin, unfortunately. I'm kidding. Cheers, brother. You just want to pull up a chair? Be more comfy. Because guess what? This could not even hit a 1-to-1 reverse. This could just be a wick. Oh, damn, that's good. Yo. What is he saying? Yo.
Yeah, did you if you look in the mentorship chat,
Yes,
I
sir.
marked up that like an hour or two ago and I just updated it. But look at why I would have took it. I can't take anything right now. I blew my consistency out the water with that 1 to 10.
Pull back, boom. Yeah, you're just playing off the impulse, like hell yeah. Where was your original entry at? Wait, let me go back and look at it, because I don't want to miss the trade. Yeah, it's playing on that continuation. Playing off the you had your fib correctly, guys. So basically he had it from here. This is the low that created this high. So you fibbed the low.
The one next to it.
I know I did it wrong. All right, there. You fibbed that low to the high. Reverse. What, you did it for these ones? Or what?
Mm-hmm.
These lows?
Yeah, that's what I did. Yep. But I might have been wrong because, like I said, the fibs is something new to me. But I thought that would have been the newest leg to go off the info. That's why.
Yeah. I feel you. Let's see. So like these lows, I guess the highs that were created was. I guess you can consider that. So let's just replay price.
Because the the sweep or the continuation would have gave me the 1 to 2 if you look at my profit margin on the trade I marked up. So I would have
Yeah.
already been at a 1 to 2. That's why I sent it to you.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel it. No, it's solid. I fuck with it. I
Because I know
fuck
you
with it.
like that.
Yeah, DAX is clean. Here we go. We're breaking highs. Continuing. All right, let's go check out GJ, guys. All right. So that's what Nick was looking at. I'm honestly just gonna clear my chart, guys, and start from blank and give a full top-down analysis. But first, let me take a sip. All right. So 4-hour time frame. Clearly, I'd say that we have been bullish and had this big meltdown, and all we've done is create some sort of equal. I mean, they're not equal. I'd be lying to say they're equal. We have 2 lower highs created within this overall leg that have yet to be broken. So I've had that, and then I also had this marked up as well, where you could see we're low-key getting in some sort of wedge, or price is kind of just going to here indecisive, where, you know, guess what? What's tonight at 4 a.m., guys? We have GBP news. So we have 4 news candles, or 4 news folders that are definitely going to drive price. Do I know exactly where price is going to drive to? No, we have to wait for the release, but I'm going to try and react to it before and what we're looking at now. So looking at it now, we did have that trend line kind of break, but like I said, I would consider this kind of consolidation. So I would break that. I would drop down. So this is the 4-hour. So things to look out for is I definitely would say we're bearish off this leg, but there's 2 things I see is that there's this 4-hour demand right here. That when we came down, we respectfully got a move off of. And then you can see here, same type of thing. That we had a move off here and then reacted to go bullish again. And then once again, you can zoom in and say we're now sweeping that low, where you guys know how I like to trade, where I always look for liquidity sweeps before any type of entry. So you can see we definitely stopped out buyers who maybe tried to buy above here, came back down, took them out, and then we can have enough liquidity to get some sort of pump. This is the hourly. I'd see no structure kind of yet. I'd say the first kind of structure is this wick, but what would really make me think that we're bullish is if we break back above, like up in here. Because this is the highs that came. Oh shit, what was that? Oh, that thing. These are the highs that led to this new low. So if we can come and break those highs, then we could look for a pullback to kind of continue. You know what I'm saying? That's how I kind of look at it as. Hi Luca, what's up? How you guys doing? Everyone spam some 41s in the chat. My bad. I haven't been really looking at y'all or reacting. My bad for not going stream or coming on stream last night, guys. I hope y'all forgive me. A lot of y'all didn't even come back today, but I forgive you. Or I mean, I hope you forgive me. I got tough tails coming from little man. So now we're on the 5 on GJ. I guess we have some sort of structure right here. Thank y'all for the 41s. What does the stream look like, guys? Let me check out the stream. Do we sound good? Yo.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, appreciate it, bro.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, appreciate it, bro.
Gangsta. Hey, what? You still give out clarity counts every day? Not every day. But I low-key good. I low-key could, but I just don't really like. I didn't like it. Everyone was taking advantage of it. It kind of ruined it. So all you guys who were greedy in the chat kind of ruined it for everyone. So congrats. But I'll still give some. I feel like it. Sub G? You can't?
Nah, you shut down the stream. That's what I was saying.
Oh. Lewis was supposed to tell me, Lewis. What the fuck you doing?
Okay.
Oh, yeah, that's why I was confused. My bad. Gold, guys. Look at that gold open. Gold hourly open dumped. Let's go over what we could have done to potentially catch this. Let's check out price, high, consolidation. I don't know. I don't really see much. Didn't really like come up and hit any type of supply. Yeah, I wouldn't say there's anything too intriguing on gold. It just did its thing. Let's go check out TRADERTV, guys. Those buys were clean. Let's go here and see. We do have a level of supply up in this area. So like I said, people could just be buying right into the sellers. I'm not trying to be one of them motherfuckers right now. GFT scanned you? No way. What the fuck? I thought they were legit. How'd they do that? Hey, bro came, he's like, I want a Clarity account. I don't know. I still rock with Clarity, but sometimes their accounts even be fucking me. That's why you guys don't see me using them as much anymore. I'm as transparent as they come. Can you get me one of those like chocolate or protein shakes? You want to take my card? You good? Ooh. All right, Trey.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna go over a model that I go on repeat. That like to me happens all the time. I'm gonna break it down to the T. And for all you guys in the chat, you guys are lucky that you guys are here for this. So it's a really easy model, but I see it happen consistently. And if you can react to it in time, it gets you good entries, small stop losses, which equals good risk reward. Because I only go for really like 1 to 3s, or I use like my trend line strategy, whatever. So it's like this. Let's say price kind of came and led to a demand that leads to a break of structure, right? Because whatever, you know, over here, all I do at this point is why I consider this a demand or whatever is that price will do 3 things. It'll accumulate, which is consolidate. It'll usually like manipulate in the wrong direction, and then it'll distribute back up. That's how kind of the markets move. Is it'll have like low volume, won't really move a lot. Sessions will open, volume will get pumped in. It'll push price up, then it'll lead back to a consolidation. Usually manipulate, lead to a new. It just happens on repeat in like different directions, right? So it's not always going to look that way, but it's just for this example. That's kind of how it does, right? So
Overbought, oversold type of deal.
not like technically overbought or oversold. It's just that like price will consolidate when there's no volume, and all of a sudden when price, I guess sessions will open, we'll start getting bigger, and then will lead to like whatever the direction of that day kind of was. And then once the session kind of dies out, it leads back to a consolidation, and it leads to the next session opens, it leads to a new impulse on a repeat, you know, buys, sells, all that type of stuff. So usually when I see this, the first thing I think of is that this, what causes price to buy or push up is a lot of liquidity and like buyers are in control pushing price. So when I see that, I consider this a place where a lot of people got into positions, put their stop losses below, and try to get into this. Or usually they even have it like within here. You know what I'm saying? Like there's just a lot of buying pressure within here. So that's where I consider that, as well as a demand is usually the last bearish candle led to a break of structure. So it would be sitting somewhere like right in here, right? So all I kind of wait for on this model is this is the impulse. This is where price distributed from, then will lead to the next thing, which is usually I wait for a pullback. So I'll wait for price to pull back and kind of just create lower highs, lower lows into here. And similarly, over that I kind of went over earlier about like changing trend and breaking structure, is honestly what I like to see is price like kind of do this. And what happens here is that when we lead to that little break above this high, it does that other thing I talked about where it's getting buyers in. So a lot of people try to jump in really early. They'll just get into these quick positions, try to put their stop losses like below like this, and try to like drive price up. So what I like to see is some sort of early entry or early, because to me in this it's buyers. So I would like to see some sort of early buyers get in, and then for them to get stopped out because their stop losses here. So they get stopped out, and there's two things happening. Is that they're stopping out buyers, and then what's happening when we're breaking this low? Sellers getting in. There's people that are gonna be trying to sell here, and where they're putting their stop losses above these highs. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is just literally how the markets are nonstop. There's people buying, selling. There's people in the chat right here who don't even know I'm talking about them. But they take like 10 trades a day, and like they don't even understand they're my liquidity. Like, they make me money because they just try and buy and sell all day, and I just aim for their stop losses. It's freaking insane. So right here, you see we get an early sellers into where I consider my point of interest, which is the overall impulse that caused the demand that caused the whole impulse. We stopped out buyers, got in sellers, and then we tap in to here where I'm looking for my entry. I usually literally would just draw like some sort of like trend line like this. And as soon as we can kind of just show that we're like breaking above like this, yeah, like I'm buying and I'm aiming for like where then those seller stop losses was at least, or the overall impulse leg, because the whole concept is this was the impulse, we retraced into our point of interest and then continue back in the overall direction. So literally on repeat, I look for this to kind of occur, and then I'm looking to get in here for the overall move to do that, right? You guys get that, chat? You have any questions about that?
Yeah, so when you say that there's more liquidity, you say that more buyers trying to buy at that point?
Yeah, like the markets you should think of is like, how can I explain it best is, you know what really pushes price is like hedge funds, banks, people who are like really putting like billions of dollars in the market. What people don't really understand is that for them to get into some sort of position, like a buy position, if they want to take a $10 billion buy position, they need $10 billion worth of sellers, willing sellers in the market to take that position. So what are they going to do? They're going to create liquidity pools of places they're going to obviously like push price, get in like sellers, and then freaking do what I said, where it'll like accumulate, it'll kind of consolidate, it'll manipulate, get false people in, take their liquidity, and then distribute in the actual direction. Right? Okay. So that's really how the market is doing. Is you should just like, this is on this chart because it's easier to break down. But if we go look at like actual price, I mean, this is Jared 30, and Jared 30 has been pretty freaking clean recently. But every time I see like these highs get taken out, these lows get taken, you know, like whatever, these are all people getting into positions, buys back above here, it's drawing price back down, stopping them out. You know, even here, pulling back and stopping them before continuing. Like, there's all these just like little things that to us don't matter because maybe it's not our strategy, but you got to think that there's $7 trillion worth of liquidity in traders daily. So maybe it's not us, but I know that there definitely are people out there that are just nonstop fucking buying and selling all fucking day. You know what I'm saying? What do y'all think, chat? What do y'all think?
I mean, from like a novice's perspective, it's almost like reverse psychology. You see that easy entry because of whatever you might see, but in reality, it's the manipulation aspect.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, 100%. I'm gonna say. I'm live. I'm gonna post on my Instagram. Sorry, chat. Chat, everyone say it was good to Trey and say it was good, Nick. I'm live. What are you doing, Nick? What'd you get? What for what? Chat, how many of you guys? There's almost 50 of you guys here. Everyone put 41 in the chat. What's good, TRADERNICK? Yeah, I wouldn't say trade. Come on, where are you guys at? We don't like a stale chat. A stale chat means that I end it and I just go on Discord with the mentorship chat and I don't know. And then you guys go blow your accounts. If you guys want to stay here and trade with me, just be active. That's all I ask. These are such bad buys.
Louis a G though.
Louis is a G. I know Louis is always active. Everyone in the chat just, I don't even know. They be sitting there doing nothing. What I miss? What's up, Jen? Full margin? We should. A gambling type of night. I'm down. Let's do it. Gold. Gold just swept. Overall bullish view set that low. You think about Alpha Firm? Honestly, I've never used them, you know what I'm saying? So I would say my insight would not be the best, I guess. Are you making any moves? I don't know what that means. Like any trades right now? Not yet. I don't really see anything potentially worth getting in, but I'm looking. I'm actively trading, that's for sure.
Nick, how often do you be teaching the classes? Which days?
You're the Discord, hop on with him. Pick his brain. Can you go over GJ? Yeah, I basically said that like I saw this liquidity sweep and we're too low to self me right now, so I'm trying to see if we can buy up here. We kind of broke structure right here. I want to see if we can come down and maybe hold a fib level. Try to get into some buys at London Open. We'll see. If you guys look like, I don't know. I definitely think we need a pullback. Reason being, every time prices made a high, we've led to a low. We made a high, we've led to a low. Made a high, we led to a low. So we're making a high right now. So I want to pull back to like make a low. And if we can respect this higher or that lower low and make a potential higher low, we'll break that higher high and we'll be in for this move. That's what I look for. That's what I would say. Gold don't look half bad. It's just the liquidity. I mean, not liquidity. It's kind of consolidating. I would say it's not really doing the best. Jer? I don't know. For some reason, I want to sell. Part of me wants to sell and catch just like 200 points. Like it's nothing. If I'm being honest, chat. Everyone in the chat, you guys all tell me where you guys are from. And if 50 of you guys don't tell me, then I'm throwing the computer at the screen. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I think Jared could be the move. Low pullback, make lower high go down. Texas. That's sick. Shout out Texas. Where else? Washington State, UK, LA, Toronto, PA. Oh yeah, Pennsylvania. Oh no, she's from Philly. South Central, LA, hell yeah. Dallas, fuck yeah. Come on, chat. Rep where you're from. ATL, hell yeah. Was thinking of Jericel missed it. I wouldn't say just yet. I'd say wait for a pullback because it could do two things. It could just break this high and continue up, or we can come back up and reject and try to get in at that lower high. Then go down. Once you make kind of this lower high, like once you kind of come up, we either can get in up here, or once it makes that lower high, we wait for it to come and like break back below. There.
Twice.
You know what I'm saying? New York. I'm about to be from Singapore. Just wait. You're moving to Singapore? Jen, you gotta move to Bali. That's where I'm going. I'm trying to bring the boys. Jen, convince him to go to Bali.
It's working, dog. It's fucking
I'm about to be from Dubai. Just wait. Hell yeah. Dubai was sick. You see the camera? Go to Bali. Bali's fine. That's what I'm saying.
Luca, where's the summit supposed to be next year?
It's gonna be in Bogota, Colombia.
Oh wow.
Oh,
It's gonna be
word?
fat. You have to come to it. It's gonna be thousands of people. Guys, listen to this. So for anyone who didn't go to the FX Summit, I went to the FX Summit and I spoke there at the one in Dubai. It was pretty cool. It was pretty far, so not a lot of people went. But the FX Summit did a workshop in Bogota with only like less than a month of prep and announcements, and like 3,000 people went. So imagine a year in advance being out tickets, a 3-day event in Colombia. It's gonna go freaking crazy. So I would, if I were you guys, the dates are already out. The tickets right now, I bet you for a plane ticket are very cheap. And I also bet you if you book an Airbnb now, it is very cheap, or like a hotel. It's in Colombia. So if you guys are in America, it's pretty cheap. And you guys get to kick it with me and shit. If you guys are, bro, if anyone in the chat here, you guys think that in person, I wouldn't kick it with you guys and shit, you're tripping. You guys in the same place as me, bro. We're topping it up.
What's the dates for next year?
It says it on the website. I don't know off the top of my head, but it's similar to around these couple months. It says on the website. I can hear it. Let's do it right now.
I gotta work on getting my passport. But if it's next year and I have vacation time, because a lot of my vacation time is used up this year, I'll definitely go.
Oh yeah. Yeah, look at secure tickets. Yeah, so I don't even know. Oh yeah, June 2025. Dates and time to be determined, but Bogota, Colombia. I can't wait, guys. It was really fun last time. You know, it might cause you crazy. Oh, guys, look at gold.
Passport, so I might try to that run. It's 3 days.
Yeah, it's a 3-day event.
Yeah, and I don't technically work Fridays. I work Thursday night for Friday.
Yeah, the events is usually Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah, if I left Thursday, took Thursday off, and then just took Sunday night off. So on Monday, I'd have my 4 days.
Hell yeah.
I just gotta see how this passport goes.
Biggest house in the street. The sidewalks in Bogota are made of coconut. What the fuck? Damn, bro, might have to make it down to the country for the summit. Oh yeah, I'm telling you guys. That's your country? Oh wait, Daniel, what the frick? You're from Bogota. Daniel, bro, bro. Daniel never talks in the chat, guys, and then all of a sudden I always forget that you just be in here. You're in GJ cells. Daniel's a good trader too, guys. You just got in, or when did you get in? Did you get on this pullback, on this liquidation? What's the best time to trade London session in LA? Midnight open. I don't want to be at.
Luca, did you see my thoughts on gold? I sent it to the mentorship.
Now, were you thinking? Oh, damn! Look at those buys.
Yeah, but I would have been for it because I sent the original markup in like maybe 2-3 hours ago. But I put it in the mentorship on why I would have took it. Plus, when I flipped it, it looked real nice.
Yeah, it's not looking too bad.
I was just fucking marking up everything today. I was fucking
Hell yeah.
told you.
Hey, look at AUD USD, guys. A little 3-step setup.
Study high, trade high, get high. I will report it.
5 pips. This is ridiculous, but Come on, chat. Oh, there we go, guys. Anyone who's interested in those JR30 cells, the 5-minute time frame, 15 looks pretty good too. Only thing I don't like is there's no. Yeah, like what? This would be a crazy entry. There's just no topic on the 15. I always hate that. Y'all know what I'm saying.
Do you normally trade futures or pairs?
Four. It's been GJ. Actually, kind of been going to Euro. Last year, EA was amazing, but I haven't taken some.
Which one have you made most trades?
Last year was EA.
Yeah.
A lot. And then this year, a lot. Really like it. But that's where like data comes in because now, like, we come towards the 2025, I may start to notice that GA moves a lot better in quarter 3 and 4. And that's like, data I have for the last years, like making that happen. You know, I can support and like not trade GA at all. Which it could just then that may not happen, but
No, Lonnie said yes, sir. Ski high neck.
no, Lonnie.
No, Lonnie. How are you feeling? She had something crazy happen to her, bro.
What?
I won't spill the beans. I don't know if it's public. I think she put it on her story, actually. That's how I figured it out. Is there crypto shit?
Oh, like something crazy bad happened or good?
Yeah, crypto shit. I want to say she put it on her Instagram story, so I'm guessing it's LOL, it's public. Yeah, bro, she had someone steal 40K out of her crypto wallet. Like just like snuck into it, and she had 2-step authentication shit on it. Someone stole 40K out of her fucking out of her wallet. No bueno. No, Lana, we love you. You got something to say? Tell her. Give her good spirits. Look at us now. Yo, it's good, chat. No, Lana, we love you. We pray you get it back. Oh, and she said too, I saw on your story, guys, they use a crypto. I was gonna ask you because I always thought the blockchain was that like you could like track where it goes, but I guess they put it into a coin that like is like you can't trace it or something. I don't even know. I don't know.
You know, a lot of times
Allegedly.
it's like they'll transfer it out, put it in one wallet, and just like disperse it.
I don't know, but I guess who's sending me 40K? What I'm saying, I was like, I'll make a DAC. They put it in Monero. It's non-trackable. Like, what does that even mean? This NG looks fire, guys. I don't know if this is what I want to gamble on tonight, but actually, should we just full port? I don't know. Should I just get in? Fuck it. One of those nights. How much money should we just chat? 3K? I'm getting put paper. Now we're gonna get wrecked, guys. All right, let's explain why I don't want to get in. Ready? I can explain it so simply. I do like where we're reacting off of, but if I draw this, you guys will see exactly what I mean. Okay, you guys see that? See what I just drew? Let's go up here and just drag it. Okay? Reason I don't want to get in is we clearly have not broken any of this trend up. I would need to see, because it could easily just go like this and continue up higher. Stop me out. So I need to see is for it to kind of come, break, and kind of show it wants to go. Right? So we're not there yet. Not there yet. How can that happen? Dude, that's what I'm saying is that they just took that out of her wallet. It was like, imagine having 40K in your crypto wallet and then it just wasn't there no more. Like, I don't know. but it's crazy. Let's go. Steve Trade says that he's here. Steve, you here? Steve, W in the chat or something. You know what I'm saying, dude? How many of y'all are here? Bro, 50 y'all here. Come on, get more likes. You guys like the stream, por favor? That'll send it out to more viewers. Let's try to get to 100 people tonight, guys. I know I didn't go live last night, so some of y'all... That's my fault, I guess. I usually never miss it, but I'm telling you, I would not have been even fun to be on the stream with last night. I was like... I was wherever Nolani's crypto is. I don't even know. You know, just up in the space. Sorry, that was kind of mean, Nolani. I love you. I know that was kind of low. She said, "Oh, okay." I just meant it as like a, you know, what's that word called? Phantom wallet has been getting like cracks. Crazy. You have a phantom wallet?
I just actually
Gotta laugh the pain away. I know exactly. Gotta pretend it didn't happen. You gotta pretend like that happened so that you could actually go and hit a crazy 100x on like a different meme coin. That's what it really means.
Does he trade meme coins or is it just like
She kills meme coins. She got into the Trump shit. She got into the Melanie shit.
What about y'all? Y'all trade meme coins?
I want to get into it, but then I heard it's been down right now, and I feel like if I got into it, I would just get all like the bad ones.
you gotta really I started looking at
I heard you literally just sit there and literally just watch for fucking products to drop and just be like, I don't even know. Like, be quick to it. What do you think, Nolani? Nolani, come hop in the... Nolani, come hop in the Discord and just spit some game to us. We're in the mentorship chat. Come on the Discord. Nolani's been fucking tracking some whale wallets too, so you can go look at like people who have recently made millions and like track their shit and see what they're buying.
No, I was trying to do that.
Oh, for sure.
Phantom wallet to Photon.
Yeah,
Because
Photon.
has that-
That's where she got her shit stolen from, is Photon. Yeah.
It's also a lot.
Mm-hmm.
pretty cool, but there's a lot of I found a video on how to like make literally saw an educational video of Rev kickboxing.
Oh, she said Phantom Wallets where she got stolen from, not Photon.
But like the Photon isn't even a wallet. It's trading.
Oh. That's how much I know about trading meme coins. I don't know. I think it'd be fun. I actually think it'd take too much time. Just give me an account with Roobet. Why can't Roobet be allowed in the US? I'd be going crazy. So guys, GJ did pull back to discount and we're getting a reaction off of it. Oh shit, that's a good entry chat. For value gap right here. We can fill this for value gap maybe. Let's see. Alright guys, if we can like pull back, fill the gap and go bullish, I might just get in. Looking for, yeah. Yeah, guys, so I'd say I'm looking for us to fill that for value gap, and if we can get a reaction and fill it and then go bullish, try to get in and aim for those highs. I'm here for the money. What up, Steve? Steve is here. Steve is here for the sauce. Steve, just buy GJ and pray. That's usually what I do. Get money. What do you think? Can you look at GJ and see what you think? Yeah, your computer. Just full leverage. Yeah, just try to see if you can make 100K.
I would
You gotta
do
go
it.
through stuff.
Like unless like you're trading, I don't. But the one thing is like we've already seen some of that, but it's goes to 15 minutes. Never put in.
Up here?
Yeah.
So we can aim for that. Exactly. So you with me or not, cuz?
Twice?
Yeah, are we gonna full leverage this bitch or not? Chat, I'm trying to win or lose money. Hopefully win. Oh, chat, we're tapping in. I'll just make music then I stream again. Inside is Beavis. How many pips is this stop loss? About 17 pips, bro. My stop loss on GJ been 17 pips a lot. To the window, to the wall. Can we get 30 likes? Yeah, motherfuckers. Everything a masterpiece. There's my son asleep. What time frame you on? I'm on I'm on the 1 minute. Steve, you're not allowed to go on the 1 minute. No, Nick, tell him. Nick, tell him. Wait, go on the mic. Go on the mic.
Wait, he's not allowed on there?
Yeah, tell him.
Yeah,
Steve.
Steve, you can't go on the 1 minute. I'm sorry. It would fuck all your progress up.
It's for people who are just on crack like me, I guess. Cheers, brother. Hey, yo, Steve. Brother. I'll see you Thursday. I'm dead. I don't hang with rag. That's new type shit. Bro, Steve, what do you think HC is doing right now? Just trading, I guess. I guess bro's just like trading GJ. That was the highlight of my fucking day. Oh my god. Literally the highlight of my day. Absolutely no way. Why is it always do that? Alright, chat, we going down. And we're down in the... If this would have broke some structure here, that would have been better too. Nick said, nah, chat. Huh?
You enter.
Yeah, man, I'm in drawdown.
Oh, you are?
No, I'm kidding. I don't go down, motherfucker. If I was in, we'd be at TP. Come on. You think if I was in, we'd already be at TP. I'm kidding. All right, chat. All right, chat. We're sitting at TP1. You guys can close partials. Have a good night. Thank you guys all for coming. That's how some traders be. We're going to profit 1 pip. All right, guys. There we go. That's it for the night.
I like that bottom one.
That's what I'm saying on the 15. We have one more minute in the 15 minute. So I'm thinking if we close and then break the 15 minute highs with a big ass, and look at, we just respected the lows. All right, guys. If we make a big ass bottom wick here, I'm just gonna buy, and the GJ gods are just gonna reward us. What do you think, bro? We need a bigger bottom wick than that. Oh shit, there's a top wick on my broker. Oh no, there's one there too. I was like, what? Oh, chat, should we just get in a little bit? Type shit. God, just type shit. I start type shit. 11 pips. Really? Just was looking at it. What even is there? It hasn't even moved. Nah, I just don't like it. There's not a lot of volume pushing it. Want a bigger wick on the 15 minute. Are you in any position? No, I'll let you guys know if I get it. I want a bigger wick on the 15 minute. I was looking at these buys, but you know what we can go look at, guys? Let's go look at the JPY basket. For those who don't know, the JPY basket moves inverse to GJ. So you can see here, the JPY basket is breaking highs, which means that GJ should be breaking lows, which means no trade right now on GJ. We swept these lows and stuff, so that's a good no entry. Yeah, I know. Well, it's too late to sell it, but it's a good confirmation to show that, you know, we're clearly going bullish on the JPY basket, so we definitely shouldn't be looking to sell that yet. Let's go look at DXY. Oh, he caught just that. Remember I'd opened the thing? Uh-oh. Next bitch is calling. He in trouble. Yeah. Nah. He had a girl and I told him to break up with her and he did. Yeah. Trader said I'm the opposite of Cupid. Can you believe that? Get money. We're getting the pullback. I like all my presidents dead if they ain't Donald Trump. That's that. Bro, I just like the fizz. I like the fizz of Coke Zero. No. Where's Lewis at? Lewis, full leverage. I know. Lewis doesn't even come. I don't know. I think he's just making more money than all of us, so he just doesn't tell us. You know? He's just keeping on the low. Yeah, he's just straight bagging out and won't tell us. Put on the tempo. It's we're getting like a deeper retracement. That ain't a bad thing, you know? We do have 4 GBP fucking red folders tonight that we're just trying to like. For those who don't know, we do have 4 GBP red folder news in a couple hours. Like, yes, I'm trying to like just put this shit up, but come on. Guys, I want to start like online gambling on here. Would y'all watch me online gamble? I'm kidding. Actually, I'm not kidding, but that shit legit? That shit's legit? Okay, like you don't think it's rigged? Like I bet they'll pay you out, but you don't think it's like kind of.
All online gambling.
It's rigged, exactly. Yeah, you just have to get lucky. Yeah, it's all. That's why I don't play them. Is that it's so against you. Like at least like with cards and shit in person, you at least hope that you have like some sort of like.
So they have like live blackjack things.
Oh yeah.
The way I've always kind of felt is like depending on the dealers either getting a good card, obviously true. You're able to just get out, my layer, you like slots for a little bit.
Damn.
You do slots too. So
Yeah.
I had 50. Yeah, I think I did only actually 5 days, but at the beginning, I started betting pretty big on slots.
Who is this?
One thing, and
Just Bandicas.
from there you drop a bit, you win, you lose, and slowly you so literally 2 weeks.
I have a buddy, guys, who fucking he made like almost 70K on Roobet and withdrew it to his Coinbase, and Coinbase like flagged it for suspicious activity, and he can't get it. Yeah, but at least Dami maybe we can get a hold of. Coinbase is so fucking hard to get a hold of. All this shit's trash. So did you look at Jer? Remember the buys that open? It's definitely what he got. That reverse now. I just can't get into those, truthfully. Yeah, like I don't know. Just something about it is just like it's bro, not a thing done. What I should have did. Can Coinbase take your money that way? Well, they're not necessarily taking it. It's just sitting in there. It's more of like they just flagged it for suspicious, and like I think he's trying to get a hold of, but they're just like not. I don't know. But I just know. Because he's not a stupid guy. Like, there's no way he just hasn't tried. He's just told me that he just can't get it. It's all just selling, chat. We got 5 minutes until London Open. 5 minutes. That's not the way, Lodo.
Action isn't like what you want.
How much you bet? Yeah. Yeah, but playing 50K worth of shit in 2 weeks on a gambling website is kind of a lot. No?
I think
Like, if you think about it, like that's probably how much like trading action I get, and I'd consider myself like a professional trader. So would you consider yourself a professional gambler?
No, hell no. I'm lucky as hell, bro. I was playing online slots.
Like that is more big than like in person spot.
Yeah, me and my girl were out at
You know what I'm
at
saying,
lunch,
chat?
and she was like, we're eating, looking over the ocean, and we're just playing. And one time it's like, basically it's like a super win, but you have to like click the right big, pick 3 random things. You pick for 1,000. But
No
pay for
way.
lunch and it's like,
Easy.
then when you bleed yourself though,
Huh?
The fuck trading be professional gamblers.
I've been saying that, bro. Just give up.
I should
Try my
get your heart
best. I'm saying I missed that.
I have that feeling since like day one live markets.
That's what I'm saying. I haven't had that in a minute. Actually, I kind of had it for the first time the other day when I traded futures because I over risked. I was in when I was supposed to be, and I was like, oh shit. Oh shit. It's all recorded. I'm going to post the video about it. All right, chat. Let's just buy GJ. 20 lots.
I thought you could do futures, but you can't. Or like at least some TOPSTEP.
Steve said 30 lots. Steve, I will do 30 lots right now just because you said that. And just, bro, if I do 30 lots and we hit TP, Thursday we're getting you the biggest fucking. God. I'm buying you whatever size and color you want, brother. Quantity. Talk about 30 lots. Talk about 30.
You could at that point. That's crazy.
Mm-hmm. Chat, just make money. I don't know. I'm just in that mood. I'm forcing these buys, chat. They don't even that good of a setup, truthfully. But I want to. It's such a bad setup. I do want to take a trade. I scan all around the room. Not a thing done. 2 minutes though, chat. Just give me some sort of bearish candle, stupid fucks. For the hourly. Nah. I mean, this shit's so ugly. Holy fuck. It's showing us nothing. I guess we could wick fill in the 4 hour. Oh shit, we could play that play, chat. I can't even lie. Chat, y'all ready for position? We got less than a minute. We got about 15 seconds to the new hourly candle. All right, chat. Let's see if it flips. It's hella bearish. So no buys yet. But if we flipped and broke highs, I don't know. Are we friends though? Damn. Yeah, thank God.
You good?
No. Should have. For sales. Oh well, chat. I tried forcing the buys. It's all good. That's GJ telling me that, you know what, brother? I'm not yours tonight. Steve, 30 lots on those sales would have paid for the whole night. It was close. All right, but chat, everyone pay attention. Ready? Let's go over what would have validated these. And it goes into me being able to draw this out and make it make sense to all you guys, all right? So pay attention to how I drew this, okay? Take out your path tool and draw what you see on GJ. I'm not making anything up. I'm not drawing random stuff. I'm literally copying exactly what's happened on GJ, right? So let me go here and we'll pull price up. So what is this, guys? This is a bearish trend. Why do you guys think that I always will do something like this? Because every single time prices showed you it's came up, it's made a new low. It's came up, it's made a new low. It's came up, it's made a new low. It's came up, made a new low. Well, guess what? All we need is price to come up, and instead of making a new low, we need to respect the low and show it can hold and then break highs. So that's all I've done is stayed patient throughout this whole kind of bearish trend, waiting for us to break some sort of structure, but we haven't. So there's been no trades. It's not like we're losing all these trades. It's just that we're staying patient. It's just annoying. Ooh, DAX, we finally tapped into the supply. Took out this one, guys. And once again, this big one I have marked up that we're getting a reaction off of is a 30-minute supply. So we go to the 30-minute. You can see it's right in here. Delete all this shit. Oh, we friends though. Big belly bands can't fit inside a lamb. I'm telling y'all guys, GJ is the move. Someone who has balls to get in right now. Who has balls just to, you have a demo? Just fucking go crazy or something. It's not a demo. Just to see. Telling y'all. All right, Chaz. Might be one of those times. I need to come down and hold a low. Just break and fly. Being informed, chat. Check the XY. I already did. Where's the whole chat at? What y'all looking at? We broken no structure to the upside. I'm just my whole thing, guys, is that we still have taken out lows. We've liquidized a couple times, so we're in an area where we could buy. Do we have to buy? No, of course not. But one thing I do know is that we are too bearish to sell, in my opinion. I mean, not too bearish, but like we're too low. Like I'm not someone who's gonna chase the sells. If I could have gotten the sells up in here somewhere, that's different. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. Can we hold? Just hold these lows and make some highs or something. Go over to the JPY basket. Oh, JPY basket is about to break highs. If we can reject from here, this is kind of one of the last parts, guys. We're either going to continue bullish and just continue to break highs and go, or GJ from here is going to get that reaction and flip. How do you calculate your position? I kind of just have in my mind, I always have around the same stop loss. My stop losses are usually either like the lowest on GJ really recently has been like 8, and 10. Tonight's was 12. So I kind of just know around what lot size I should be using. You know what I'm saying? I want to risk $3,000, so I have like a 12 pip stop loss. So I think about like, all right, well, 10 lot is not exactly it. 10 lot would be that, so I would say a little more. I mean, not 10 lot, but like my stop loss, that would be for 1,000. So I mean, if it's 12, so let's say it was only 10 pips, I want to risk 1,000. A 30 lot would be, 3,000 if it was $10 per pip, but it's about 7. So I could do around 30 something lots, but I was just gonna pop in 30. Pop a 30 lot and go crazy. Steve, how does that sound? Pop a 30 lot and call it a night. Yeah, it's bearish as hell. I know. The news. Yeah. Well, I was just saying, this is just like the only place that we could get some reaction from. We swept the lows, got some sort of, I mean, it wasn't that good of a setup, but I don't know. It's just it's a good no entry. We have no top wick on the 5. Just see. What's gold up to, chat? All of them kept kind of just falling like that, truthfully. And reminder, we do have GBP news in a couple hours, guys. I'm gonna definitely but for me on a $5,000 account, 10 pip SR risking 1% with $50, shooting for a TP2, which is 20 pips. What should be my lot size? Well, I don't know exactly what prop firm you're using or what broker you're using, because you could have a different contract size. If you're using like the broker I was using and you're using the $5,000 account, 10 pip, oh, you're on Clarity. So if you have a $5,000 account, 10 pip stop loss, trying to risk only $50, that's a 0.05, right, chat? I think you'd literally just risk like a 0.05, brother, or like a 0.08, 0.75. I mean 0.075, not 0.75, but 0.07. Dumping. The math comes into per pip size. So pip really stands for percent in price or point in price. So all of these numbers have, it's like if you look at GU or something like this, you see this number right here, the 1.2468 or whatever, the 4th decimal place over is considered a pip. So when you do a lot size and you enter, what the lot size is like, it'll tell you on your broker, whatever, like, oh, the contract size is on the entry is $10 per pip. So that means that every time that pip movement moves and you're in that whatever lot, it would be, that's what that is. But sometimes like GJ I think is like $7 per whatever. So 10 pips is 700 instead of. I mean, yeah. So. Yeah, well, DAX is an indice, so you know it's gonna be different. I'm back with busy at work. Hey, hope you had a good day at work. Damn, that's how long we've been on stream. Is you went to work and back? At the end of the day, we got a deeper pullback, so we'll see. GFT said I breached my account, but did not explain to me or approve it. And you've tried texting their support and shit. That's fucking. Hate that. They banned you is crazy. Yeah, chat, we should aim for some liquidity below. I doubt it's just gonna stop here and go higher. I don't know, it's all good. It's one of those nights, chat. How many are still here? Hey, well, I appreciate y'all for, you know, coming and tapping in. I'm still gonna be up for the night trading. I'm gonna be trading with the two boys right here. Trying to get my boy Trey. He's gonna be the next GOAT, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But we're gonna be trading tonight, and for those who want to come trade with us or whatever, bro, I always tell you guys, one link only. It's in the description of the chat, but also right here, guys, VIP. If you guys want to take the trades after the streams, that's the only place to get them, or if you are in the mentorship. But you can't even, I don't know if you guys have noticed, if you guys go to the here, membership's not listed anywhere. I don't just let anyone in. You have to go through, you know, you have to go on a Zoom with me, and I'll see if you're a good fit. And if I like you and, you know, want you part of the mentorship, come join the team. But if you guys are interested in that, you guys can go DM me, coach. But if you guys want the trades and just trade with us, go click that link, and you guys can use code SALVA for 10% off. Daniel probably got money too. Yeah, Daniel, come give us some of that money. No, I'm kidding. Daniel's the man. He don't need it. He'd be calling out bangers. Appreciate y'all. Though y'all are the best. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and leave a comment. And actually, I don't even really need to leave a comment. What up, Salva? Hope you're doing good, gangsta. But you guys are the GOATs. Happy London session. Jen, you're the GOAT. Hey, everyone spam some 41s in the chat. Everyone starts spamming 41s. Let me just go through everything real quick. Everything's just selling off. Yeah, guys. I missed it. It's all good. Every night is not a trade night. I'm good enough to be able to just sit back, not fucking get in one, then force myself into one. Cause I would have got clapped on GJ if I rushed it. Hi, Luca. Before you go, which platform do you recommend? I don't like really recommending one yet, because I'm myself trying out a couple of different ones. But once I find one that I'm really legit, like I've had zero problems with, I'll let you know. You guys know that I've worked with Clarity for a while. I still like them and I still use them. It's just that I did have a couple problems with them, but it's all good. Because they're still fire. I still use them. It's just, I don't know. I like diversifying and getting a couple other platforms as well. So I would say Alpha Firm, I heard, is really good and top tier. Those are two ones that I'm kind of trying out. So it's kind of the only kind of hints I'll give you. But other than that, futures, you know, I'm trying out futures and stuff, so stay tuned for that. But you guys are the GOATs, and I hope you guys have an amazing time. When it comes to GJ, it's just being a little freaking, it's just bearish. It's not doing anything. We're on the wrong side of the market. It's all good though. Y'all the GOATs. But leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. And yeah, love you guys. Ciao, chat. I got anything to say? Nick, come say peace out. We got the boys here.
Pieces, y'all. 41.
41's in the chat.
Full port news on. No, I'm just kidding.
No. Then listen to Nick. Don't go for. Oh yeah, guys. So we do have. Look at, they said bye. Go to Bali. 41s, 41s. Do you know why we say 41s?
No, that's what I.
Chat. Who wants to tell them why we say 41s? Chat. Tell them. It's like my number I have with my whole like community. If you're a student of mine or you're in the NLT community, like you're whatever. Someone tell them.
Jen should know.
I know everyone should know. Yeah, I see.
Oh, I like that.
All for one for all.
I like that a
41s.
lot.
Yeah. Come on now, chat. Y'all already fucking know. Love y'all. All for one for y'all. We'll be here with nothing without y'all. You guys are the best. Catch you guys in the next one.